Apellix, the safety partner for the technological revolution. My name is Bob Dahlstrom and I'm the founder and CEO of Apellix. This is a 3-minute video of a demonstration of our 4th generation industrial robotics spray paint system. Our patent-pending Apellix worker bee robotic system was created to move workers from harm's way. For example, when spray painting a warehouse or painting and coating infrastructure such as cell phone or TV transmission towers. Did you know, in the United States alone, 95 climbers working on industrial towers died between 2004 and 2012? The worker bee eliminates the need to place human workers at dangerous heights. At Apellix, we develop technology to keep workers safe. The fact that this results in better quality and efficiency is a really nice byproduct. Our patent-pending Apellix worker bee robotics modular system is made up of 4 main components: a mobile base station, umbilical cord and tether, autonomous drone with attachment, and proprietary software that ties it all together. Apellix uses proprietary hardened industrial custom software to enable our drone-based applicators to do things drones have never done before. By combining high-tech hardware with leading-edge software, our drones are able to paint buildings and towers, wash windows, safely apply chemicals, and more. Here you see me attaching an umbilical cord to the spray paint base station. Our current iteration utilizes a 3000 psi airless spray paint system for the base station, an umbilical cord and tether, and a modified commercial off-the-shelf large lift capacity drone with customized software and hardware and an attached spray applicator wand to spray coatings on structures up to 3 stories tall. On the left, you'll notice the red and black electrical tether with shore power for the drone. There is no battery, it is completely powered from the ground. Here the drone is flying in close proximity to a warehouse getting ready to apply paint. For the purposes of this demo, we are using water. The drone is controlled via a radio frequency transmitter I'm operating. When the material transfer from the base station is started and turned on, the water, paint or coating or other material is pressurized and pumped through the umbilical cord to the spray applicator wand attached to the drone. You can see the spray being applied to the warehouse on one of its vertical seams. This warehouse is 2 stories tall. The system is very stable. Here you can see the drone hovering in place with no operator intervention. So, if you're interested in harnessing technology to create a safer industrial environment, or you share a vision of that, or wish to stay informed about what we're doing, reach out to us at our website, apellix.com, or follow me on Twitter at Bob Dahlstrom, all one word with no spaces. Or connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you.